Hello everyone, the NHS contact tracing app went live recently and there are some people who are asking questions whether they should be concerned about their privacy or collecting location data and all that, right? So the short answer is no, there are no privacy concerns whatsoever as far as I can see. I'll tell you how the app works, right? When I was a kid, I watched this Bollywood movie where this guy who played a comedian in the movie, whenever he meets somebody, he used to pinch them, right? I literally pinch them. And they were like, dude, why are you pinching us? And he was like, well, so that you remember me, you remember meeting me for the next few days, right? It's a weird trick, but I guess it worked for the guy. So that similar way, your app is working as well. So let's say 10 of your friends downloaded the same app, the contact tracing app, and you got in touch with one of your friend. And when you got in touch, when you're in a close proximity, your apps, both of your apps on your smartphones, these contact tracing apps, are talking to each other, saying, "Hey, dude, how are you? Here is a random, anonymous, randomized number for you to store for me," right? So both of your apps are exchanging anonymous random numbers. If you are talking to your friend for more than 14 or 15 minutes, and the apps are storing all these random numbers for the next 14 days, right? So, and let's say and you moved on with your life for next month or so and met loads of people, and if you're like me with no friends, you've met only a few people. But jokes aside, your app is storing the keys, random keys for all these people. Hopefully they have downloaded the app and they're using the app as well. So both of your apps are storing all these people. But it will remember only the people that you met in the last 14 days, right? And let's say one of those people got tested positive for COVID-19 and NHS says, right, dude, here is a test code you need to put into your app so that when you put the test code into your app will turn into Incredible Hulk, right? And then, jokes aside again, your app will notify all these people you met in the last 14 days without going into too much technical details. Some of the details are stored in the central server, and your app is always looking for our diagnosis key and blah. Long story short, it will alert all those people you got in touch in the last 14 days and ask them to isolate for next 14 days. Simple, right? And as far as I can see, there is no personal data, no location information, nothing has been collected in this process. The only thing I can see is the mobile number, and that is collected by NHS and not the app, right? So it's nothing to do with the app. So that's it, no concerns. What you should do next is, if you haven't downloaded the app already, please go ahead and download the app. Help the government, help us, help everybody, and stay safe, help us stay safe, and it will prevent any further lockdowns, and it keeps us safe, right? So please go ahead. I think it's nearly 600,000 people downloaded the app already. So that's more than 10% of the whole of Scotland's population. That's brilliant. Anyway, you have a great weekend. Thank you.